Welcome everyone. Today's the 18th of October 2022. We're going to talk about Ethereum Classic today, give you all the price prediction update into the market. You guys can see from the chart that price in Ethereum Classic has been falling. It's now the time to buy. I know you guys have heard many people on YouTube give you all, every time the price falls, come in and buy it, come in and buy more of it, dollar cost average into these positions, because one day the market will be back up, right? Well, let's talk about that today. So let's go ahead and look at Ethereum Classic. You guys can see that I originally had this price prediction on the chart for Ethereum Classic right here on September 22nd. I did an update video on October the 6th. Okay, so this is where the market was on October the 6th. And I was telling you all I'm still looking for the market to go down, and take a look at what happened right here on the 13th. I told you how low the market was anticipated to go in Ethereum Classic, right? And it literally almost came down to that point on October the 13th. Like, this is fantastic. This is proof that you're able to see where prices are going to go and when. Hopefully you all was able to grab some profitability into the market in Ethereum Classic. If you didn't, on the 13th, which was around 28%, if you were to get out now, you're still in profit, 16.87. This is what we do here on the channel, give you all a simplistic way of noticing and understanding how the market really works. Let's talk about this real quick. Let's go ahead and address what we expect Ethereum Classic to do now. Now, I wanted to show you all something that the market in Ethereum Classic may actually be trying to create a trend. Okay, you guys can see right here, I just quickly drew this ascending line into the market in Ethereum Classic, because this is where the market on October the 13th came and confirmed the trend right there. Okay, you guys can see it. So the market here in Ethereum Classic actually is confirming a trend. That is why the market currently is trending higher in Ethereum Classic right now. What do you think? Okay, cool. Let's go ahead and look at this on a 2-day chart. Okay, you guys can see here over the last 2 days that the market here in Ethereum Classic did get hit with some selling. Okay, that 2-day price bar is indicative of market selling, which we would expect price to fall, but it didn't do it. You guys can see it right here on the next 2-day price bar. The market went up instead. So that tells me that the demand is definitely still present in the environment for Ethereum Classic around $24, maybe $25. It's still there. Here is Ethereum Classic on the 3-day chart. We got 13 hours and 13 minutes. And currently we are still seeing that that's the case, that buyers are currently coming to the market in Ethereum Classic. Pretty good. 5-day chart. You guys can see how we concluded on the last 5 days right there. That the market did get hit with some selling, but it was able to overcome the selling and was able to close up there towards the high end of the bar, which is something that buyers want to see. That's something that buyers will want to see the market in Ethereum Classic confirm. Now, do you think price in Ethereum Classic is going to be able to break 25 to the upside? Because if that's the case, then our resistance area will have to run up here towards 28, 2750. What do you think? Okay, so I actually suspect that the market in Ethereum Classic is still trying to go higher, but it just doesn't look that bullish. The market here in Ethereum Classic doesn't look massively bullish, like it's about to do a massive run. It really doesn't reflect that. So when I show you all this 9-hour chart, right, you guys can see where this market got rejected here on this 9-hour price bar, pretty much where my horizontal line is, right? You guys can see it. And that is where we could possibly see the market get hit with more selling. Yes. And continue its move to the downside in Ethereum Classic. 13-hour chart. Market here looks pretty decent. It's not massively strong. It's not massively weak. I still suspect that we may run across some issues around $24.50, $25 area in Ethereum Classic. So let me show you all. If we were to put on a prediction looking for the market in Ethereum Classic to run up to here, that's only 2 3/4% profitability for us to run up to 25. It's only 5%. Now, to you, that may be worth putting on an idea, a forecast of looking for Ethereum Classic to go that high, but to me, it doesn't look like it. Okay, So let me do this real quick, because I do think the price in Ethereum Classic is going to trend higher, right? But I'm not that bullish. No, I don't think that the market is overly bullish. So I really want to set the expectations here on this prediction. First price target, everyone, 25. You can see it's only 5%, 4.92. Second price target, $26.50, $26.60. That's my second price target. And that's probably about it. I'm not really too confident that the market in Ethereum Classic is massively bullish right now. 28 will be my third. Okay, so we have here my three price targets again: 25, 26, 28. That's it. Now we want to see price continue to trade above this ascending line, because as long as that is maintained, then guess what? We're going to continue to expect price to go up. All right, so that is it. Give me your thoughts. Hit that like button, share, and subscribe to the channel to make sure you guys stay updated as to where I'm looking for the market to run, and so that you guys can learn as much as possible so that you can do this for yourself. It's not rocket science. Let's make this bread. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.